What is that thing? No lie, is that a vulture? Is that a buzzard? What is that thing? I mean, that thing could take off with a dog. That thing could take off with a small dog. Whatever it is. It did have a red head. Yeah. It's so high up. All right, Internet, so we've agreed that it's not a hawk. It's also not a canary, nor is it a wombat. Why does he keep flying out of frame here? Oh, the sun is coming out. I can't see anything.
Spread your wings. There it is.
Oh, oh, there he is. Oh, God, oh my goodness. Look at that thing. What is it doing? Oh my God. I got good video too.
Oh, you got good video? This thing is huge, man. Look at the wingspan on this thing.
What is that thing? Is it menacing me?
I don't think so.
I think it's
It's
menacing.
already done that a couple of times. I don't think so.
Oh,
You are a pretty bird.
you are very attractive and terrifying at the same time. Look at that thing.
Look at the wingspan.
Oh, where'd he go? Here he go.
You may be getting ready to take flight.
Okay. I'm going to zoom back out a little. Try to get some context on this bird. That is a big bird.
Yeah.
Okay. Nope. She's just mine.
It looked like he was going to swoop down.
I know. Oh, he's wiggling. He's doing all manner of things. I don't know what he's... I'm going to try to...
Oh, there he goes. There he goes.
There he goes. Where'd he go? Where did he go? Oh, he's gone off down the street.
Yeah. He might come back. You missed it. I was paying attention to something else and he took off.
I think I got most of it on...
Yeah. He'll be back.
Oh, he's coming around. I see him, I think.
Oh, is he?
I think I just saw him kind of... There he is, way in the distance. He's circling, like a buzzard would.
Maybe it is a vulture then.
I don't know. I've lived here my whole life. I've never seen a damn thing like that. Oh my God, he's huge.
Is that him?
I think so.
He's flying further away.
He is. He's going over the fields.
Yeah.
Probably looking for mice. Or,
Probably
you know,
something. Yeah. You know, or
a horse of some
small
sort.
dog.
It may not even be a small dog. I mean, that is a substantial animal. Yeah, see him up there?
Yeah.
All right, whatever the big ass bird is, we know why it was in the yard. Oh, I won't get too close. That used to be a squirrel. Oh, that's horrible. Okay.